Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Batista from the Canva Cafe. Today I just wanted to share with you one of the vendors that I used to use to make my labels for the inside of my wigs. They are over on the Instagram at Dutch Label Shop. Dutch Label Shop. I don't know why I can't read. So you can get your wig labels, shirt labels for your branding. They also have hang tags and a lot of other branding material. So check them out on Instagram. Not sponsored, not yet. Let's speak that into existence. So here, the size that I'm going to use for my wig label is a 2.5 by 1 inch. So you would just go into Canva on the homepage and create your own custom size and in inches. Then Canva will populate a page for you, and right now this is the size. So I'm going to go into the settings and I'm going to click where I can see the bleed, meaning where they're going to cut off the images for the print. So whether you're printing a shirt, book, anything, it's always good to have the print bleed on. So right here I'm just putting my logo. In case you don't know, my hair business is called Tressesleche, and I'm not selling anything because I don't sell wigs anymore. But you can follow me on Instagram over there too. And I'm just showing you, you can just pick your font, whatever font you want. And I was just playing around with the fonts because I was trying to remember what my original font was that I used, but we're going to use this. This looks similar enough. So once we have written or typed out our what is going on with me? I'm sorry, y'all. You know, I just left them people job and I'm tired, but I'm here. Okay. So once I've typed my brand, I'm going to duplicate the page and I'm going to make one in black and one in white. Now you would just do the color that you need for your brand. So the reason why I'm doing this, in case I decide to print on a black label, I'll have white lettering. And in case I happen to print on a black label, I have white lettering. I don't know if I just said the same thing twice, but you know what I mean. After we've done that, we're going to hit the share button and we're going to download the pages. And we're going to download, which is very important, as a PNG, but you have to select transparent PNG, and what that'll do is make sure the background is removed, so you'll just only have the words. If not, you will download it with this black background and with this white background, and we don't want that, and neither do your vendors. Okay, so select transparent background and then download. Once we've downloaded it, then we're going to re-upload it into Canva, only because I just want you to see what it looks like without the background. But once you've downloaded it as a transparent PNG, you're all set and ready to send it off to your vendor, whether it be to place your logo on t-shirts, magazines, your business cards, whatever you need to place it on, it is ready to go at this point. So I'm getting ready to upload the images back into Canva so you can see what it looks like. And then I'm going to do a mock-up of a tag. I don't know why I didn't use a label, you know, child. So because I downloaded not one, but more than one file, it's going to be a zip file. That's because I have a MacBook. And then once I upload it, I will just click the zip file and it'll open it up to a folder where I'm able to now transfer it over into Canva. And now we're going to pop one of the PNG. So as you see, there's no background. So now I'm just going to show you the example of our fake tag. So you can see the purpose of it being a PNG. So this is our fake little tag. And I'm going to stretch it out for you. We're going to place our new logo on the front. So this is how it would appear, you know, if you sent it off to your vendor, if you're using a tag or t-shirt or what have you. But this tutorial been over per usual. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I'm going to insert what my actual wig tags or wig labels look like from the Dutch label shop. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Oh, make sure you read the little, yeah, that thing. Bye.